Looking at the Kentucky Derby winner. Epic ride. It's gonna get it done.
You can spend all your life looking for a Derby horse and never get one. The Derby horses probably find you. Revved up yesterday, like in a good way at the paddock and schooling him, but he's a good boy, you know. More work here, Israel, than he would going around the track. You know, this is mentally and physically better for him than going around the track with all the horses around there.
Just FYI's had a great week. I mean, she's had a work last Sunday, and she came out of it well and doing great. She's been galloping good, and she looks extremely good on the racetrack galloping.